Rebound, Jeff. Rebound ni Jeff. Arvin running the floor. Bagnes with the rebound. Ten seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 3. Reset sa 14 yun, ha. Then, nauna yung nauna yung tumamang ring. Bagnes wala. Papi. Mapi 2 points. Assist ka. 2-0 by Team Blue. Mac with the 2 points. Assist by Gabi. Jeff 2 points. 14 seconds to shoot. Thank you. 2 points by Joe. No? May cut. Kick na. Blue ball. Okay pa ba yung bola ko? Okay pa naman, ano? Break in process na. Mapi up! Reset mo to 14. Thank you. Balik kay Mapi. Gab, back to Mapi. All alone! No good. Mapi ulit? Nope. Check. Gabriel. Fade. No good. Mac with the rebound. Pero na-steal agad. Ni Jeff. Jeff! Wala pa rin. Bagnes with the rebound. Inagawa ni Maggaw. (6-4) Triple team! 9 seconds to shoot. Mamaya mo na i-reset pagka-inbound. Cap with the 3, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni Gab. Nice day. Bagnes rebound. Jao, malakas. Rebound ako ni Paul. "15 seconds to shoot." Hoy, magkikita pa kayo sa opisina, oy. 5 seconds. Reset uli. Ay, hindi na. Outside na. Turnover. 10 minutes remaining sa larong to. 6-4 lamang yung blue team. Team Delta, 10 seconds to shoot. The bank is again open for Jonald. Thank you. 6-all. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ayan. Sige, tirahan mo nga. Ganda.
Ang ganda naman ng give and go. Grab and go. Mapi. Steal by Gab. Grabe yung Gab. Pumeke sa kaliwa. Wala. Rebound ako ni Jonald. Eight na sinano, no, Gab? Oh, distributed yung 2 points nila. Oh, ang ganda. Si Paul na lang yung wala pang puntos sa ano, sa Delta. To Mac. Mac, hook shot, no good. Makukuha ni Jeff. Jeff. Wala mapasahan, binigay kay Arvin. Arvin bringing the ball up. 20 seconds pa sa kanilang shot clock. Paul for 3, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni John Ray. To Jonald. Jonald bringing the ball up. Jonald with the pass fake. To Joseph. Joseph goes left. Joseph, crowded. Makukuha ni Jonald. Nald. Up! Foul counted down. Hindi lang na-count. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, reset to 14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Mac. Oy! Yun lang, malakas ang pasa ni Mac. Op! Yun lang. That is a very, very good. Oy! Yun lang, hindi tumawag. Wala. Joseph Bagnes goes all the way for 2 points. 8 all. Mapi goes all the way as well. Nagpalitan lang ng fast break points. 10-8. Arvin. Gab. Inabangan na.
Nagod na.
9 seconds to shoot. Jeff, hindi nakuha ang shooter's bounce. Rebound, hindi nakuha ang rebound.
24 to.
Hindi.
Na-rebound nila.
Ay, oo nga no, tama. Back to 24. Galing. Good call doon. So, na-rebound ni Mac yun. Na-rebound ni Mac. Jeff, 2 points. Sinong namasa nun? Mapi. Mapi assist. Mapi assist. 12-8 tayo. 12-8. 7 minutes remaining.
Dalawa dyan ha. Okay. Isa shooter dito.
10 seconds to shoot.
Dito, shooter!
Ebdani for 3. Bang! Pass by Bagnes. Yes, sir. Lamang yung 12. Yes. Gab, babawi. No good. Nakuha ni Ebdani. $15 seconds to shoot. Ebdani will try again. Kapos. That was a heat check. Score 12-11. Lamang ang Delta. Gab with a mid-range shot. No good. Rebound makukuha ni John Ray.
Oh, shooter.
9 seconds to shoot. Yun lang. Steal. Oh, siya na tumawag.
Pwede yun. Di mo na naman. Dalawa dito!
Nice screen by John Ray. Yun lang. Anything but the finish. Mapi with the rebound. Masyado nang gigil. 5 minutes. Okay kay Jao. Jao goes for his mid-range. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Jeff. Mali ang pinasahan ni Jeff. Yun, Joseph goes all the way. And a steal by Jao. Yun lang. Lamang na po ang Team Bravo. Goes middle, foul. Reset to 14 seconds, shot clock. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa larong to. Ebdani. Ebdani pa rin.
5 seconds.
5 seconds to shoot.
5
4,
seconds.
3,
2.
2. Oh, foul daw. Sigaw ako agad ng shot clock ha. Pagka-inbound. Reset, yan. 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds.
7, 6,
5.
5, 4, 3. Reset.
Saan yung tape mo?
Yung kanina pa
Dito sa bag ko.
Mamaya anihin ko. Mamaya i-retape pa mamaya. Hugasan ko muna.
Ah, sige.
Rebound John Ray yan.
Rebound John Ray. Tapos palit possession, hindi. Hindi, no? Hindi, same lang. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Nakuha na ni Paul ang rebound. Gab pa rin. Tumapi, nice. Oh, yun lang. Donald rebound. Score ay 13-12 pa rin. Lamang ang Bravo.
Sa depensa na.
Sa depensa tayo bumawi. Jao, goes baseline. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni John Ray. Right place at the right time. To Jonald. No good. Mac. Right place, right time ulit. They're piling up the rebounds but they're not piling up the points. Gab. Oh. Ingat.
Ay, di. Kalaban pala ito. Sayang yun ah.
10 seconds to shoot. May mananalo na sa amin.
15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. Siguro naman meron na.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Hatid ng Hope. Magnes goes all the way.
Wow,
Tang ina.
grabe.
Ang ina, binuhat ang buong mundo.
Ang monster.
15-12, lamang yung 15. Paul, will he go for the tie? No good.
Rebound, Bagnes.
Nakuha ni Bagnes. Bagnes doing it all.
Tira.
15 seconds to shoot. Arvin A with the rebound. Arvin A, it's not yet over. It's not yet over. 15-12. Kick out pass. Mapi. Yun lang niluwa. Ebdani with the rebound. 15-12 pa rin. 20 seconds to shoot. Kung i-press ngayon ang blue team.
Balik.
14 seconds to shoot. Ready tayo. Echo and Alpha. Tape. Teka. Op, kapos. Saglit.
Sige pa.
May gunting na rin
Dami,
dyan. Oo. Kasi lagi akong suki ng Pinoy
Mapi.
din. Mapi for 3! Wala! Rebound ako ni Bagnes.
Kaya pa. 1 minute.
17 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Tatlo lang ang lamang.
Tira.
10 seconds to shoot. John Ray goes middle. Pinasa kay Jonald. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yun lang na offensive rebound. So 31 seconds game clock.
Kaya pa yan.
14 seconds shot clock.
14 seconds yung shot clock. Shot clock naman yan. 14 seconds lang yan. 10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 7, 6.
Ay!
Yun lang. Okay, 22 seconds.
Ako, minuto na.
It's still anybody's ball game.
3 points. Tira na.
Gab will go for the 3, for the tie.
Ah! Yun lang.
Rebound. Nako ni Arvin. Naman kay Mapi. Mapi goes for the tie.
Nice!
No good.
Yung diretso.
Yun lang.
Yan lang.
And I think this is it. Pinikayan pa. Okay, sa inyo na. 15-12. Panalo ang Bravo. Bravo wins.